In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a wavy line in Adobe Illustrator using the fastest and most commonly used method. This technique is perfect for logos, backgrounds, patterns, icons, and any design where you need clean, smooth, adjustable waves. The best part is that it's completely editable, so you can tweak the wave height and frequency at any time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. The size doesn't matter for this tutorial, so you can choose any preset. Once your artboard is ready, go over to the toolbar and select the line tool. You can also press the # key on your keyboard as a shortcut. Click and drag across your artboard while holding Shift to create a perfectly straight horizontal line. Holding Shift keeps the line locked at a straight angle, which gives us a clean base to work from. Next, make sure the line is selected. You can click on it with the Selection tool, which is the black arrow at the top of the toolbar, or press V on your keyboard. With the line selected, go to the Properties panel. If you don't see the Properties panel, you can enable it by going to Window in the top menu and clicking on Properties. Inside the Properties panel, look for the Appearance section. This is where we can add effects to our selected object. Click on Effects, then hover over Distort and Transform, and from the drop-down menu, choose Zig Zag. As soon as you click Zig Zag, a settings window will appear, and this is where the magic happens. In the Zig Zag options box, you'll see a few important settings. The first one is size. Size controls the height of your waves. If you increase the size value, your waves will become taller and more dramatic. If you decrease it, the waves will become more subtle and shallow. Try adjusting it slowly to see how it affects your line. Next is ridges per segment. This controls how many waves appear along the line. Increasing the number will give you more waves packed closely together. Decreasing it will give you fewer, wider waves. This is perfect when you need either a soft flowing curve or a tight ripple effect. Now this next setting is very important. Under Points, you'll see two options, Corner and Smooth. Make sure you select Smooth. Corner will create sharp zigzag spikes, which can be useful in some designs, but for a clean, wavy line, Smooth is exactly what we want. Before clicking OK, make sure Preview is checked. This allows you to see the changes in real time as you adjust the settings. Once you're happy with how your wave looks, click OK. And just like that, you've created a perfectly smooth, wavy line. One of the best things about using the Zig Zag effect is that it's completely editable. If you ever want to change the wave height or the number of ridges, simply select the line again, go back to the Appearance panel, and click on Zig Zag. The settings window will reopen, and you can make adjustments anytime without starting over. And that's how you create a wavy line in Illustrator using the Zig Zag effect, the fastest and most flexible method available. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.